Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this object in SolidWorks software. You can see all the dimensions are mentioned in the First I will create a base, then I will create a flanges. You can see the base dimension is 125, 75 and 15 mm thickness. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and support me friends. Select extruded boss, front plane, normal, select center rectangle, give the dimension, (75). Sorry, 125. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 15 mm. Okay. Now you can see back side one flange is there, that is 50 mm length from the bottom. Select this surface, sketch, select corner rectangle, give the dimension 15 mm. Finish sketch, extrude up to 50 minus 15. Okay. Now you can see there is a one pipe that is welded on the body. The dimensions are diameters, two diameters 52 and 28, and dimensions from the bottom 45 mm. Select this surface, sketch, 52, select, create one circle, create one more, give the dimension 52, this is 28, 52 and 28. Bottom to this 45. Okay, sketch is fully defined. Finish. Select extruded up to 35 mm. Okay. Now you can see there is a two holes on the top side. The diameter is 15 mm and pitch is 45 mm, and from the bottom 35 mm. Select the surface, sketch, select circle, give the dimension 15 mm, and from bottom to here 35, okay. Extruded cut, okay. So select mirror, select this cut, select this cutout, mirror, select this plane. Okay, so next you can see there is a fillet, that dimension is R15. Select fillet 15, this corner and this corner. Okay, you can see friends, all the features are added. If anything is missing, let me know in the comment. Now I will assign the material. Metal. In the metal I will go with polished steel or polished. Okay, save the part. So that's it friend to the session. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.